All nouns are broken into groups called declensions. There are 5 declensions in Latin. The one we're learning today is called first declension. Most of the words in first declension are feminine, but there are a few that are masculine. I'll tell you about those later. Every declension is broken down into subgroups called cases. The cases are the nominative, the genitive, the dative, the accusative, and the ablative. The nominative is your subject and is translated as a, an, or the. The genitive shows possession and is translated as of. The dative is your indirect object and is translated as to or for. The accusative is your direct object and is translated as a, an, or the. The ablative is your object of the preposition and is translated as by, with, from, in, on, or because of. Okay, so now, to show whether a word belongs to one of these cases, you change the ending. You also change the ending if it's singular versus plural. So, I'm going to make a new chart: nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, and ablative, the singular column, and the plural column. Okay, here are the endings. It goes AE, which is pronounced as I, A with a long mark, I, is, us, and is. So there's a song to help you remember. It's kind of to the tune of Frere Jacques. Here goes my horrible singing. It goes A, is, us, is. That's the first declension. Now I really know it. Sing with me, clap, sing with me. Woo! You woo after everything. Makes it more fun. Okay, so now we're going to take these endings and we're going to add them to a noun. We're going to use the noun for life. VITA, VITAE, feminine, is the dictionary entry for life. So here we go. You make your chart. What I'm writing right now are the abbreviations for the cases, and then the singular and the plural. You take the first word, you put it in the first blank. You take the second word, you put it in the second blank. That's because the first word is your nominative singular. The second word is your genitive singular. Then you go to the second word and you take off 2 letters. That leaves you with your stem, VIT. You write it down in all the blanks. And then you add your endings. A, I, is, us, is. Okay, so now you take these and you can answer any questions you need to. Like, how would you say of the life? Well, according to your earlier chart, of is genitive. So you go to the genitive row, and life is singular, so the answer would be we tie. You could say in their lives. So in, according to your earlier chart, is ablative. So you go to the ablative, and then lives is plural. So in lives would be Latisse. If you have any questions, just let me know.